Episode 7: The Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution, which occurred between the late 18th and early 19th centuries, was a period of significant economic and technological transformation that forever changed the course of human history. It began in Great Britain and gradually spread to other parts of Europe, North America, and eventually the world. The Industrial Revolution marked a shift from a predominantly agrarian and artisanal society to one dominated by industrial production and mechanization. It was characterized by a series of major technological advancements, such as the invention of the steam engine, the mechanization of textile production, and the development of iron and steel industries. The revolution was fueled by several key factors. Firstly, there was a surge in population growth, which created a large labor force and increased demand for goods. Secondly, there was a substantial accumulation of capital, thanks to the growth of trade, colonialism, and the rise of the banking system. Thirdly, there was a spirit of innovation and a willingness to experiment with new technologies and methods of production. The steam engine, invented by James Watt, was a crucial invention that powered machinery and revolutionized transportation. It allowed for the mechanization of factories, enabling faster and more efficient production. This led to the rise of factories and the mass production of goods, which in turn led to lower costs and increased availability of products. The textile industry was at the forefront of the Industrial Revolution. The invention of the spinning jenny, water frame, and power loom mechanized the production of textiles, making them more affordable and accessible to the masses. The cotton industry, in particular, boomed, with cotton becoming the dominant raw material for textile production. The Industrial Revolution also brought about significant changes in agriculture. The enclosure movement, which consolidated small farms into larger ones, increased agricultural productivity and allowed for more efficient land use. New farming techniques, such as crop rotation and the use of fertilizers, improved yields and contributed to increased food production. The social and economic impacts of the Industrial Revolution were profound. On one hand, it led to rapid urbanization, as people flocked to cities in search of employment opportunities in the factories. This resulted in overcrowded, unsanitary living conditions and the emergence of social problems such as poverty, crime, and child labor. On the other hand, the Industrial Revolution brought about improved living standards for some segments of society. The availability of cheaper goods and increased wealth from industrial production led to an improvement in the standard of living for the middle class. It also laid the groundwork for the development of the modern capitalist system and the rise of capitalism as the dominant economic system. The Industrial Revolution also had far-reaching consequences on a global scale. It laid the foundation for the rise of industrialized nations and the emergence of a global division of labor. It fueled imperialism and colonialism as nations sought access to resources and markets. It also had a significant impact on the environment, leading to increased pollution and the depletion of natural resources. In conclusion, the Industrial Revolution was a transformative period in human history, characterized by technological advancements, the rise of factories, and the mass production of goods. It brought about significant changes in agriculture, manufacturing, and transportation, and had profound social, economic, and environmental consequences. Its effects are still felt today, as it paved the way for modern industrial societies and shaped the world we live in.